Hello, my name is Paulon. The purpose of this worksheet is to better organize the expenditure data of Ring Family Farm. First, I created an Excel table in the expenditures worksheet and renamed the table as checkbook. Then I replaced the category code farm in each record with payroll by selecting the column D and using the replace function. Next, I made a copy of the expenditures worksheet and then renamed the copied worksheet as Q5. In the worksheet Q5, I sorted the checkbook table in ascending order by category, then by payee, then by the date paying, with the newest being first. Another copy of expenditures worksheet was created and named Q6, which was filtered to only display equipment and repairs in December and was sorted by amount with smallest first. Then I made another copy of the expenditures worksheet and then renamed Q7, which was filtered to only display checks with payee's name, which included the word vet. This was done by using the text filter. The amount were total at the bottom by using the AutoSum function. Another copy of expenditures worksheet was created and named Q8 and then used conditional formatting to apply yellow fill or dark yellow text to all outstanding checks. Then I made another copy of the expenditures worksheet and then renamed Q9. Next, I converted the table to normal range and used the subtotal command to display the total amount for each category, displaying the subtotal amount in the amount column. Next, I created a pivot table that summarizes expenditures by category and month in the worksheet named Q10 to Q11. Date paid was selected under the column label and category was selected as row label, and some amounts were selected as values. I grouped the data paid in months. Pivot chart was inserted with the clustered column and chart. Lastly, I inserted a pivot table in a new worksheet named Q12 with a category as row label, and then included some amount and percentage of the amount under the values. Each header was changed to mimic the table shown, and then it was sorted to show the largest first. Pivot table is a table that summarizes the data, which can be formatted in numerous ways in a dynamic report. Pivot chart is a graphical representation of the pivot table. The purpose of using the pivot table in this work paper was to summarize in various ways the expenditures of Ring Family Farm. Creating pivot table is a fast way to instantaneously convert massive data to a well-summarized report which can be easily read and analyzed. If one has to analyze data manually without using pivot table, it would be very time-consuming. Thank you for your time.